Hi there guys and welcome. We are a well-respected company in our business and our goal is excellency. Our name is Envato and in here we can place our taglines to reinforce this message. But what do we do? Well, that's really important and that's why this space is available so you can place your projects to show your clients what they can expect from you. In this case, I'm using After Effects, Cinema 4D, photography and Photoshop as examples. But why would you choose us? With so many companies out there, you must wonder, why would I choose you guys instead of the competition? So in here, put your strongest points to give your clients certainty to choose you. And that's not all, because our best asset is our team. With great work, a solid team, with 24-hour support and great teamwork. And in here we can send a stronger message about who we are and what we really do. Like our lead designer, our creative team, the customer support leader, the concept group, and our office space or a company photo. Don't wait any longer, contact us today through our website, Facebook page, YouTube channel or Twitter profile. Hope you enjoy it and thanks for watching guys.